Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back. So a lot of people use ExpressVPN for streaming and torrenting, but it's also really useful for gaming. And in today's video, I'll talk about Express, why it's a good option when it comes to gaming, and everything you need to know to optimize your gaming experience with the VPN. Now, if you're already interested in getting Express, feel free to skip ahead and check out the links in the description for the latest discounts and coupon codes. So using a VPN would be really helpful while gaming because it provides you with added privacy and security, and it also helps improve your game performance. Using a VPN will protect you from all sorts of things while gaming, like swatting and DDoS attacks, because people on the other end of the game won't be able to find your IP address or your personal data. And having a VPN also enhances your gaming experience, since a lot of ISPs will throttle or slow down your internet if they detect specific types of internet traffic on their network, like gaming, streaming, or file sharing. So if you use a VPN, your ISP won't be able to tell what you're doing online, and that'll make it harder for them to throttle your bandwidth. Also, from a performance perspective, nothing's worse than encountering lag when you're in the middle of an online match. And one of the main causes for lag and delays is long ping times. Now, ping is the time it takes for data to be sent and received between your device and the game server. So, one of the main reasons for long ping times is the long distance between your location and the location of your game servers. And when you're using a VPN, you can set your IP address to one that's as close as possible to the game servers, which will significantly lower your ping and your lag. So let's say you're trying to play Call of Duty Warzone, and you're in a country that isn't close to COD servers. You might experience more lag, which can kill the fun in any game session. For example, let's say you're in South America. COD only has one server in South America, which is Sao Paulo. If you're not close to that location, it might be better to change your IP address to that city, or to connect to one of the American servers if they're closer. Same thing if you're trying to play Fortnite if you're in Australia, or in one of the Pacific Islands. There's only one server nearby, and that's in Sydney. So there's a fair bit of distance for your data to travel, which again can cause lag. So instead, what you can do is use a VPN to make it so that your IP address is in Sydney, and that way you'll experience less lag and latency issues. And it's very easy to change your IP address to Sydney with a VPN like Express. So the first thing you'll have to do is subscribe and log in, then download and install the app. Once it's open, you'll want to click on the Locations tab right here. Then scroll down through the drop-down menu until you find Sydney. Turn on the VPN, and that'll be all. If you want to double-check that your IP address is now in Sydney, open whatismyipaddress.com, refresh the page, and there it is, you're in Sydney. And now that you're in Sydney, you should experience significantly less lag when playing Fortnite, and you can do this for most online games you want to play. It's really simple to set up. Just look up the game server location, find one that's relatively close to you, and connect your VPN to a server in that same city, or one that's as close as possible. And by the way, Express gets a solid recommendation for me. It's my personal favorite VPN because of how consistent it's been all these years I've been using it, and just how easy it is to use, as you just saw. And it isn't just good for gaming, it's one of the best VPNs out there, as I mentioned before. It's great for streaming and torrenting, offering zero throttling or bandwidth limitations, and giving you access to tons of streaming libraries from Amazon Prime, Hulu, Netflix, HBO Max, Disney+, and many more. And most importantly, Express has the best no-logs policy, which was verified with extensive audits by trusted third-party companies. But not just that, its no-logs policy was also tested in the real world in 2017, when one of Express's servers was seized as part of an investigation in Turkey, but the government wasn't able to extract any useful information about Express's servers, which proved invariably that Express doesn't keep logs of user data. It's the most reliable and consistent VPN out of all the ones I've tested, and it's also incredibly easy to use, so that I recommend it to just about anyone, whether they're tech-savvy or completely new to VPNs. If you like more information about Express, before making your decision, I'll leave a more detailed review in the description below. And if you're interested in getting Express, I'll also have the latest discounts and coupon codes in the description as well. So at the end of the day, setting up a VPN in a way where your IP address is close to the game's servers is the best way to optimize your gaming experience and lower lag. And having a VPN in general while gaming should also give you added protection against angry gamers or malicious players online who might want to swat you or launch DDoS attacks and things like that. Be careful out there and have fun playing. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to see more of these videos, and let me know in the comments if there's anything cybersecurity you'd like me to cover. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.